Hey, what's up guys, it's Manu here from androdollar.com. So here I have the all-new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and I'm recording this video right from the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So the purpose of this video is going to be, I'm actually going to be putting the Galaxy Note 10 Plus inside the water so that you guys can see how well it does underwater, because some of you guys actually wanted to see how well it actually does that, because both of these phones are IP68 dust and water resistant. So let's go ahead and dive on in and see some camera samples right from the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. So let me know what you guys think about the camera quality down below in the comment section, and let's dive on in right now. Alright, so I'm recording this video right now from the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I'm not inside the water right now, but I'm just gonna put it inside the water. So let's see how well it does immediately after you take it out of the pool. Alright, so I just took it out of the pool. I'm not sure how well the camera works. Let's see how well it does. I'll just show you this wonderful hotel that we are at today. It's a pretty nice location. It's pretty nice and a really nice looking pool as well. This is the Galaxy Note 10 that I have over here, and I'm recording this video from the Note 10 Plus. And I just want to show you guys the camera interface. At the moment, Samsung doesn't have any type of underwater shooting mode on the Galaxy Note series. So let me just go into the edit function and show you all the camera modes that are available here. There's no underwater mode, so hopefully Samsung can add one of those modes in maybe in the next version of the software. So I think that will be pretty helpful to have that, so that the phone doesn't start playing the fool when the phone is underwater. Look at the colors of the Aura Blue Note 10 Plus. You can see it from the Note 10 screen as well. Look at this. When the light hits it, the color changes. So nice. Alright, so here I have my Note 10 Plus, and you can use the S Pen underwater with this as well. So if I just take the S Pen out right now, so I can note down anything here, I can go underwater and still I can keep writing anything underwater. So maybe I can clear the screen like this and then go and write Andro Dollar. So all of that was done inside the water with the Note 10 Plus. So I can just pop in the S Pen once again and the phone is fully functional. So that's awesome, right? Let me know what you guys think about that down below in the comments section. So right now I'm shooting a selfie video from the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's dive on into the water and let me show you guys the quality from the selfie camera of the Note 10 Plus. Next I will show you guys how the rear camera does when it comes to underwater performance. Alright, so this is what the rear camera looks like on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So let me put it inside the water right now. right over here. So let's quickly get into the beach also and see what it's like. Man, I love coming to the beach. Having a waterproof smartphone is really great because you can just bring it out like this and have so much fun with it. Look at this wonderful wave. So strong. Alright guys, so with that, let's wrap up today's video. Now I'm at the beach. I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy a little bit here. The sun is setting and the sky looks absolutely beautiful. Just look at this. Beautiful. Definitely, if you want to have a great vacation, come right here to Sri Lanka. So this video was shot entirely with the Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus. I'm using the Note 10 Plus right now. And let me know what you guys thought about the video quality underwater as well as out of the water with the Note 10 Plus. Definitely follow me on social media. I'm at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. If you have any other video suggestions featuring the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, let me know down below by dropping a comment. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.